Hello everyone, welcome to Country Life Nice. Today I'm making a simply delicious Jamaican breakfast. Fried dumpling and steamed callaloo with some franks. And of course, we can't forget a warm cup of chocolate tea. Let's get started. As you see before, we had a bowl with some flour. As you see here, guys, I use a little milk in my dough and a little water. As you can see, now I covered with a paper towel. Now, let's get the pot heated so that I can make my delicious dumpling. Now the pot is on the stove and pour in some oil. While the oil is heated, we have to get the dough ready. So what I did, I rounded up the dough into small circles. When the oil is heated, I shape the dough into small round pieces. Once the oil is hot, I carefully place the dumpling in the oil on a moderate heat. I allow them to fry slowly. So guys, when you put your dumpling into the oil, you have to make sure that the oil is not too hot, but moderate, that when your dumpling is frying, you don't need a lot of heat under the pot. Or else your dumpling will burn and it will look brown like they are fried. And when you break it, the inside, it's raw. So you got to fry it on a medium heat so that they are golden brown and it's looking just like this. It's so awesome. Look at these guys. Wow. See, when you bite them, they are so soft and crunchy. Before we go any further in this video, please to like, share, and subscribe to Country Life Nice. Thank you so very much. We have finished with the first batch, and this is another batch. So you do it just the same. Make sure you shaped your dumpling. You can do it in any form and any size you want. When my dumpling is done, I remove them and place them on a paper towel to dry the excess oil. Now that my dumpling is finished, guess what? The next step is to carry you right into the steam callaloo. So first I got the callaloo from the stem. I strip it. You know that you have to strip your callaloo. I don't know why, but from I was a child, when I was watching my mother cooking callaloo, she always strip and clean the callaloo very well. And so whenever I'm doing callaloo, yes, and all Jamaicans, if you are Jamaican, you exactly know that when you got a callaloo and you're gonna steam it, we all have to strip and clean the callaloo very well and place into water, or you can put it under the running pipe and let the water run on it. I start cutting, and this is how I cut my callaloo. You can also put it on a cutting board if you want, but I cut it in my hand and that is fine as well. So now I got my seasoning. You know that sweet pepper is a must for me in my callaloo. A little scallion. Now that my seasoning is cut up, I set aside for a while. I put on the pot for the steamed callaloo, but first I had to saute the franks. As you all know, the franks is already cooked. All we need is a little seasoning. All you can see, I have all different seasoning. And I had the sweet pepper and saute. I just put a little seasoning, not too much. And then I transfer the callaloo into the franks and give it a little steam. So here is my callaloo. I also had a pinch of margarine. Now I combine everything together and let it saute for a few. And there you go. This is my steamed callaloo and franks. You don't have to have saltfish to steam callaloo. You can cook it with anything of your choice. Even if it's chicken back, you can cook it with anything you like. Please be reminded, don't overcook your callaloo. And guys, I'm here to tell you that nothing beats enjoying this meal with a nice cup of chocolate tea. It's so nice. And just like that, our Jamaican fried dumpling and steamed callaloo with franks are ready. Thank you so much for watching Country Life Nice. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more simple life cooking. Bye.